I need you to stay with me, by my side, like, forever. Don't ever leave me, dude. Don't ever leave me. How those wheels coming?
Really good.
What are you doing? Dude, that is a sick Ninja 500 wheel, bro. All right, first project of the week.
Just epic. Yeah, it absolutely was. It absolutely was. It really delivered. It really delivered because Marv made the tragic mistake of mentioning that.
All right, so we're working on project 2 for the week, which is that last big wheel I need to finish. Attempt number 3 at getting it done, so hopefully this time it works out. But while that's baking, we are prepping some of the smaller pieces that we need to do for the rest of the week. So I'm gonna shoot some smaller things tomorrow while I'm here all day, and then we'll go from there. Second job done. Finally, those big wheels are all set. Third job, 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 third job. All right, here we are. One down, one to go. Kind of hard to see. See if we get a little better angle on it here with the light. There we go. So we did a wipe down here of the lip and the spokes on both sides of the wheel. So we've got the first one done, and now we got to do the second one. There we are. Alright, so let's do a little bit of a midweek wrap up here, because I've been kind of just expediting the process because we're basically doing a lot of repetitiveness week in and week out here, and I know it could get boring for you guys to watch, so I'm trying to keep stuff kind of fresh and kind of just basically documenting what we're doing here as far as work goes right now, until we do start getting something fresh, either a new venture, a new facility, whatever, you know, a big new project that we don't do every day. For right now, like I said, just trying to keep it kind of, okay, this is what we're doing, and just kind of show you guys that. So we are absolutely killing it this week. We are knocking through projects one right after another. That acid was such a godsend. It's ridiculous how quick and easy everything is with it. And yeah, so we're just cruising right through for the week, which is good because we've got kind of a busy weekend going on. We've got some plans outside of the shop, so that's kind of cool. And the best part is I have started the work on this, the work on the street bike. So hopefully by the end of the weekend, everything will be good to go here, and we'll be able to ride a little bit. I know some of you have been waiting for me to get them back out, and to be real honest, I really want to, but it's been cold, so cold, snowy, and rainy, so I haven't had a chance, but we're looking good coming up. Like I said, I have got the tire changed for the dirt bike, so all I got to do is put the whole rear wheel on the bike and change fluids, and that's good to go. Street bike, I started doing some of the gasket stuff, and I've been slowly doing the small pieces I wanted to do in the Illusion Purple for it to kind of spruce it up a little bit for this year. So like I said, hopefully by the end of the weekend we'll be good. But this has been like a midweek update, so it's Wednesday night. Tomorrow's Avengers. So pumped! Alright, another couple projects finished up here. We got some lawn ornaments and infused emerald. We have these pieces and these. Alright, so today is a little bit of a decompression day here. We are trying to get the bike's all ready to go. So we are oil and transmission fluid changing the dirt bike. Street bike, we got to change a gasket and then bolt that all back up. Got to change the rear tire here. We already changed the tire on the rim. We just got to change the rims out on the dirt bike here. And so hopefully by the end of the day today we can have everything fired up, going, running, good, and be good to go is my plan. So